Recently, I went up to Tahoe, and on downhills, my car was shaking while I brake. So I noticed that the rotors are out, and now I'm gonna show you how to replace your rotors. First, these are the steps you have to follow. Where to put the jack. There's a little dot like I show you, and then you're gonna open the tires. There's a two 17 millimeters bolts for the brake caliper. You're gonna have to open that, one on the top, one on the bottom. Very easy. And on the driver's side, when you open this, make sure to put your socket and push it towards the car, towards the back of the car, on the driver's side. And on the passenger side, it is going towards the front of the car when you open it. When you put your socket, and make sure, this is very important to understand, that push it on the driver's side, push it to upward, basically towards the back of the car, and passenger side, going towards the front of the car. So the other one I pointed down, that was a passenger side. This is a driver's side. I'm opening it, do you see? I'm pushing it backward. And then now the caliper is open, and I just have the tires ready there. I just put the weight on top of that, so the brake pipe is not gonna be damaged or anything. Sometimes you just can hang it on the suspension. If you have some type of rope or something, just hang it there. Now I'm gonna put the new rotors. I got it off of eBay. $95 for both of them, and hopefully it's gonna last long. By the way, these were replaced. They were very new. I don't know what happened to it. It was shaking. So the other thing is that this caliper goes in front of the actual part of the frame. So that's important also. Now we're putting the new one on, and they're brand new. Usually if your rotors, if you want to save some money, O'Reilly Auto Parts, they can polish it for you if it has some beef in it. Mine was brand new. I just replaced it because it was not worth it to just polish it. So it's better to just get a new one. And then now I replaced that and putting back the calipers. Because they were new, I didn't have to push the brake cylinder back. So they were not, the size is not much different. So it just went straight up to its place. So I don't have to do anything. But usually you have to push the brake cylinder inside where the brake pads are. Like, you gotta push it back, because if your rotor is thin, then they're gonna come more, there's gonna be tight space for a new one. Mine was new, so I didn't have to do that. So again, I'm showing that in the passenger side, how to put them in the driver's side.